Hello everyone, my name is Flo. Welcome to my channel. I make graphic design related videos and sometimes digital art related videos. For today's video, we will be working on the 6th daily design challenge. And for today's challenge, we will be working on making a catering homepage. Well, making a homepage for a catering company. And the catering company is going to be Valenciana Catering. I'll put that in the description below if you would like me to. And essentially we are going to be creating a homepage for them, and if hopefully we'll have time. I'm trying to squeeze in as much as we can, but it might be overboard. I would say a homepage and either a page for the menu or a catering page. And we have an hour to create this, and hopefully if we have the time, you can try to go in XD and make it animated, which would be really cool. Comment below if you want me to do a tutorial on the auto animate features in XD, because that's a really cool feature to make your designs come alive, especially if you're working on websites or mobile designs. Yeah, so yeah, let's get this challenge started. And we have 1 hour, and if you go over the hour, it's fine. Honestly, I'll be honest, these timings that I put are to test our design skills, and like sometimes you might come up with some crazy funky ideas or something that looks great or looks terrible, but it's just to see what you can come up with, just to put yourself in that zone and come up with something. But of course you can go over that time, and I do a lot of the times. I sometimes get so into the project that I'm like, okay, I like what I'm doing so far, but there's so many things that I want to fix, so then I'll go over the time, which is totally fine. Alright, let's get this challenge started. Now for this challenge, I chose to decide to make this challenge for a catering company be something that was very, or at least the attempt was to make it cleaner, and because usually I do a lot of colorful stuff. If you've seen most of my work, you've seen it be very kind of fun, colorful, very vibrant. And this time I thought, okay, if I really want to challenge myself, I need to do something that I don't do as often. Although I love the minimal look and I have dabbled in it here and there, I feel like I haven't dabbled in it in a while. So I thought, you know what, I think I should try to do something that is a little bit more minimal, a little bit more using neutral colors, something that's not crazy and like funky and vibrant. And that's why I decided to do that as well, which I think as a designer, even for all of you, I think that's a good idea, to do something that is different from your own style once in a while, that really challenges you as a designer. And even the types of challenges you take on or projects you take on, if it's like on the side, try something that's a little bit different. That will definitely challenge you creatively, and you might come up with ideas you never thought you would, because you're doing something that is a little bit more different than usual. But of course, you know, it's hard to completely, you know, do something completely out of your style range, but yeah, it's just cool to see what you can come up with. And of course I went over the time, as you will see, and I ended up taking some more time on this project because I wanted to play around on XD. And like I said in my last video, or my video before that, I hadn't played around on XD for a while, Adobe XD, so I wanted to try the animations, the auto animate feature, and just, you know, experiment with that. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. And here's a few more variations. I made a couple more variations, as you can see. Comment below and let me know what you think. And I didn't actually go ahead and make another page, like a menu or home page to open up into. Instead, I focused more on you could say the onboarding, or just like the first, as soon as you open the website, what pops up, which would be the animation that comes in. And the way it animates, I feel like when you open up a website, the first thing that shows up, it gives you that big impression. And I feel like with that, it's always cool to do something that's kind of interesting, whether it's a little bit of an animation and I feel like that really kind of catches the viewer's eye, at least in my opinion. I did some more research, and I specifically looked into high class catering, specifically that term. And when I saw the websites that had appeared on Google, I was surprised to see that a lot of them were so lacking, and I really was just expecting a lot better. Maybe just what I had found at that moment, But yeah, so I really wanted to focus on the animations because I feel like that really makes an impact. So, and also I enjoyed it. So, so I hope you enjoyed this challenge. And if you end up doing this challenge, you can tag me at the designer Flo. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Have a great day.